Baidu's Ernie bot has surpassed OpenAI's ChatGPT in general abilities and outperformed the more advanced GPT-4 on several Chinese language capabilities. This NVIDIA, Core Weave, and Inflection cluster of 3K plus H100s just trained a GPT-3 style model to 2.69 C4 perplexity, medium perf, in 11 minutes. The previous best result was 23 days. At this speed, some estimates suggest they could train GPT-3 in 2 days. Details are light, but it is an impressive result as stated. A pharmaceutical drug conceptualized by artificial intelligence will be tested on 60 people. The drug, which will treat chronic lung disease, is under development by In Silico Medicine and has already completed successful Phase 1 trials. FunQA is an innovative dataset designed to test and enhance models' understanding of surprising videos like humorous or creative clips, pushing their capabilities in areas like timestamp localization, video description, and reasoning. The European Union is introducing crash test systems for artificial intelligence to ensure new innovations are safe before they hit the market. FiftyOne supercharges your machine learning workflows by enabling you to visualize datasets and interpret models faster and more effectively. This repo introduces MotionGPT, a novel technology that merges human movement and language into one model. By treating motion like its own kind of language, this tool can help improve tasks related to movement, such as predicting or describing actions, based on text input. A breakdown on why Databricks spent $1.3 billion on the 2-year-old company MosaicML. Eleven has launched Voice Library, a community platform for creating, sharing, and exploring synthetic voices. The platform utilizes Eleven's proprietary voice design tool to generate unique, multilingual voices based on parameters such as age, gender, and accent. Users can share their created voices and use voices shared by others for a variety of applications, with incentives for participation. Eleven has plans for future expansion and improvements to browsing, search, and categorization. Another crack team is taking a shot at building ubiquitous language and multimodal models for enterprise. They have a solid technical background with a long history of reproducible research. Counter to many foundation model startups, they are a remote-first organization. The Uni-LM team at Microsoft is an extremely productive and prolific group of researchers. This latest work continues their line of inquiry around useful and powerful language plus models. Kosmos-2 can draw bounding boxes and read text. Language model performance is often evaluated on a very small curated selection of data. The distribution of this data is often massively simplified from production environments. Using self-supervised evaluation, you can use your own datasets to evaluate these models. You can even use data that's streaming in from production. The paper presents a new, expansive dataset called Large-Scale Robust Visual (LRV) instruction, which helps in addressing the issue of multimodal models creating incorrect descriptions of images and instructions. This dataset, enriched with both positive and negative visual instructions, helps to refine models, reduce hallucinations, and improve overall performance in interpreting visual cues based on diverse instruction formats. An in-depth overview of how to use LLMs to power autonomous agents. The article discusses the potential economic impact of AI-powered developer tools, such as GitHub Copilot. It estimates that these tools could save developers up to 30% of their time, which could lead to an economic impact of $1.3 trillion in the United States alone. The buzz around artificial intelligence has investors snapping up shares of startups on alternative venues, looking to find the next wave of technology giants before they even go public.